disqualification petitions has been dismissed by the Speaker. A total of 7 MLAs have gotten relief, and on the basis that there is no evidence of disqualification, the Speaker has dismissed this. What is your response?
Well, the evidences were clear. Those people have openly come and declared that they have joined Congress party. The Congress party's official handles, social media handles, their programs, they have announced that they have welcomed them into Congress party. Probably, Honorable Speaker is playing the role of Dhritarashtra, King Dhritarashtra, that he cannot see anything. He's closed his eyes. So there's no democracy here. He is not protecting the Constitution. Our Honorable Speaker is violating the Constitution. And when Honorable Supreme Court can see this, when Honorable Supreme Court has understood this, when they could see this evidence, mind you, this is not a case of this state anymore. This is a case of the Supreme Court. Because Honorable Speaker is reporting or is working on the directions, on the command of the Honorable Supreme Court. The Honorable Supreme Court has been time and again asking Honorable Speaker to act on this, which has been delayed and delayed. Notices were delayed, explanations were delayed, taking action was delayed, and after all this time, now he says that there is no evidence. The Congress party is putting Constitution to shame. Rahul Gandhi has no right to preach about the Constitution across India when your own sitting government is mocking the Constitution. You speak about Nyaya Patra, you speak about amendment and defection laws. This is double standards of Rahul Gandhi. This is dual statements of the Congress party which Honorable Speaker is being exposed. So clearly, BRS will continue to raise this voice. Honorable Supreme Court is watching this and they've already got a rap again that why are you not taking an action? I mean, one of them even contested also. One of these defectors contested on the Congress party B form for the Lok Sabha elections, and still you want to say that you do not have evidence? Every day these MLAs are simple thing. As a common person, leave a constitution, leave democracy. Today people are seeing this. They are only asking that these 10 defectors do not have a courage, they do not have a spine. If you've joined Congress, have the guts to say that you have joined Congress and you're ready for an election. Why are you afraid? Are you afraid that you cannot get re-elected again? If you have the spine, if you have the courage, resign and come for the elections, or at least have the courage that to say that yes, you have joined Congress. You do not have that courage because you know that you are a cowards, you 10 are cowards, and you cannot get re-elected, and that is why you are dodging the questions and you are becoming jokers in front of the people of Telangana.
So will the BRS party challenge these dismissal of petitions in the court?
Absolutely. See, in the Supreme Court, the case is ongoing case. So every time there is an argument, BRS will put up what is happening here in Telangana, what are the answers, and the same evidences which King Dhritarashtra sitting on the Telangana Assembly's chair cannot see. We will take it forward to the Honorable Supreme Court and we will keep it in front of them. We'll keep all these evidences which definitely the Supreme Court has been seeing and will continue to see.
Also the question now, which party do they belong? If the MLA defection petition, I mean the disqualification petitions have been dismissed, the question of who do they belong to still arises. And secondly, the MLA that you mentioned who contested Lok Sabha election, Danam Nagendra, his petition is also still pending. Whether they will disqualify or not is yet to be seen. So how do you see the remaining action on this?
By Hindi mein ek kahavat hai, there is one phrase, Dobi ka kutta na ghar ka na ghat ka. So that is their situation. That phrase suits them. So they should decide which party are they from. See, they do not come to BRS programs. They do not have BRS's colors with them. They are not in any programs of BRS. But rather they are wearing the Congress party's kandwa, the scarf. They are joining Congress party's programs. They are praising Congress party. Their whole camp offices and their residences are with Congress colors. So they do not have the courage. They are afraid. What is that life where you do not have a courage, where you stand up and say that yes, you have joined Congress? So when you cannot say that, that means you are cowards. That means you have already lost.